All right, guys, so we've seen RC cars on saw blades, paddle tires, CDs, and even tracks. But what about box fan wheels? It's 2025, guys. All right, so we got the front wheels mounted, but it's spaced out just enough where it can kind of steer a little bit. This side, I mounted the wheel backwards because I'm gonna have to mount one of those backwards because of the way the blades are, so that way it'll match. So this seems to be going to plan pretty good. Let's get the rear wheels mounted. Okay, so we got the wheels finally all mounted. So the blades are kind of bending, but oh well, it is what it is. We have almost 8 inches of ground clearance. This is absolutely ridiculous, guys. All right, so it's the next day. As you can see, I've been working on trying to reinforce these wheels with pencils, Sharpies, duct tape, and Gorilla Tape, because before the blades were about to collapse underneath the truck and I didn't want it to break, so I figured I'd reinforce it. I also went through and tightened up these zip ties to make them a little bit stronger. All right, so just a little bit of information about the TRX4. It's got the standard Traxxas electronics in it. Has a new motor in it because I burned the other one out running through a mud puddle in 4 high with the diffs locked. The motor has been water broken in and it's been running a little bit, so pretty much brand new. 9-tooth pinion gear, 45 tooth spur gear, 5-to-1 reduction ratio, the lowest we can go here, and a 2-wheel drive, 4-wheel drive selectable drive shaft. All right, so steering doesn't really work too good. This is the stock servo. All right, so it's in 2-wheel drive. I just want to see if it would even move in high range first. Nope. Probably better to put it in 4-wheel drive first. Let's put it in low range. This ain't gonna move. And we just broke one of the spokes. All right, so I'm just gonna gun it. Diff locks. All right, so that was an epic fail. I smell a really hot motor. So I'm not going to cut the video off right here because obviously for some of y'all that was really boring. So I'm going to fix the broken blade, and tomorrow we're going to take it out on the lake. All right, so I'm going to do a little retest today. We're going to start off in 4 low with the disc lock, see if it'll move. I don't think it will, but we're going to give it a fair retest. All right, I'm just gonna gun it wide open. Uh-oh. ESC ain't too happy. So now we're gonna do full reverse. All right, well, this is an epic fail. Reverse did work better. I think if I had 2 of those same blades on the back, I think it would have worked a little bit better. But oh well. As you can see, it works. It's just not very good. So let's get this 2RX4 in the water. Yeah, this sucks. Well, that's all, folks. ESC cut out, but oh well. This was a really stupid idea, but I figured I'd try it. Probably would have been a little bit better if the wheels had mounted more like firm, besides just squishiness and tires, but it was just the quickest, easiest thing I could come up with. Thanks so much for watching. I'll see you on the next one. Like nothing ever happened.